This is a comparison between Flowkey, Yousician, and Simply Piano. Flowkey is an application where you can go ahead and learn how to use piano. These are different options that you can see on the side of the Flowkey, which is very accessible to anyone. On the other hand, Simply Piano gives you an everyday tutorial just like the Flowkey. It gives you a journey where you can go ahead and learn songs from different apps. This is also available from the App Store and then to the Google Play Store. Next is the Yousician. Unlike the Flowkey and Simple Piano, Yousician is an application where you can learn different instruments, not just piano. So you can learn here guitar, bass, or ukulele, or you can also learn how to sing on this application. Now here's a table for the exact comparison. For the feature of teaching style, Flowkey focuses on learning songs and uses video-based approach with a weight mode, and Simple Piano, gamified and course-based structured lesson. On Yousician, it is a multi-instrument uses a video game style with real-time feedback. For the target audience, Flowkey is advised for beginners, Simple Piano is for absolute beginners, and Yousician is a player of all levels. For the course strength, Flowkey has an extensive library of well-known songs with professional video. Simple Piano is highly structured and addictive, and Yousician is a multi-instrument support. Both or three are good.